how to generate short videos in 9:16 ratio in VEO3. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for Flow on your browser and this is where it will take you. Now simply open this up and wait for it to load, and this is where it will take you. Simply log into your account. If you don't have one account, just simply create one. It is quite easy. And with your Gemini account, you would also get Flow account. So over here, simply click on this option of create new project. And after that, select videos on the top left hand side corner. Then select the option of settings. Here you get this option of portrait. Simply select portrait and select one output. Then in the model, simply select VEO 3.1 as the fast one, as this will take 20 credits, but if you go with the 3.1 quality, it will take 100 credits. So it's better to go with the VEO 3.1 fast one, and this way you would be able to create the short videos, and this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.